Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency, where the future of finance is constantly evolving. Among the numerous cryptocurrencies available in the market, one stands out, and that is XRP. In this video, we will dive deep into the technical and fundamental analysis of XRP. We will also discuss the rumors surrounding this coin, its difference from Ripple, and finally we show some experts' prediction of XRP at 2023. Watch the end of this video. If you enjoy finance content, consider subscribing or liking the video. It's free, and you can always change your mind. The XRP ledger was created in 2011 to 2012 by Jed McCaleb, Arthur Britto, and David Schwartz. In 2012, they formed Ripple, then called OpenCoin Incorporated, gifted 80 billion XRP to the company, and used it to develop on the XRP ledger. Ripple has since regularly sold XRP to improve network liquidity and incentivize ecosystem development. In 2017, Ripple placed 55 billion XRP in escrow to ensure a predictable growth in supply. Originally called Ripple, the XRP ledger's native asset was later named XRP to avoid confusion. Ripple Labs was registered as the company name, but eventually shortened to Ripple. In May 2018, a new X symbol was selected to represent XRP, and differentiate it from the previous triskelion logo used for both the company and digital asset. XRP is a digital asset created for fast and low-cost payments, settled on a decentralized blockchain technology. Compared to Bitcoin, XRP is faster, cheaper, and more environmentally sustainable. It is scalable and can handle up to 1,500 transactions per second. XRP can be sent directly without intermediaries, making it useful for cross-border payments and microtransactions. Both financial institutions and individual consumers can leverage XRP to facilitate faster and more affordable cross-border payments, and to move different currencies around the world. XRP has a finite supply of 100 billion tokens, with over 45 billion in circulation at the time of writing. It is a popular cryptocurrency, with a market capitalization of over $40 billion. XRP has gained traction as a means of payment in the financial sector, with many banks and financial institutions using it to facilitate cross-border payments. XRP faces strong competition from other altcoins in the market. One of its main competitors is Stellar, XLM, which was created by one of Ripple's co-founders. Stellar is designed to provide low-cost cross-border payments, similar to XRP, and has gained significant traction in recent years. Other altcoins that compete with XRP include Litecoin, LTC, Bitcoin Cash, BCH, and Ethereum, ETH. These cryptocurrencies offer similar features, such as fast and secure transactions, and are gaining popularity as alternative means of payment. Bitcoin, BTC, the world's first and most popular cryptocurrency. While Bitcoin is not specifically designed for cross-border payments, it is widely used for peer-to-peer transactions and has gained acceptance in the financial industry as a store of value. Despite the competition, XRP has maintained its position in the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. Its strong partnerships with banks and financial institutions, as well as its fast transaction speeds, have contributed to its popularity. However, it will need to continue to innovate and differentiate itself from other altcoins to maintain its position in the market. What is the relationship between Ripple and XRP? Ripple is a technology company that uses blockchain and cryptocurrency to facilitate cross-border payments and other financial services. XRP is a digital asset that can be used for payment settlement on the Ripple network. Ripple created the XRP ledger and originally held most of the XRP tokens in circulation. However, in 2012, Ripple started distributing XRP to the public through sales and giveaways. Today, XRP is freely traded on cryptocurrency exchanges, and anyone can buy or sell it. The XRP ledger is also an open source and decentralized blockchain, and it is not controlled by Ripple or any other centralized entity. XRPL ecosystem. Powering innovative use cases and projects. Infrastructure. Build and operate components or systems that help the functionality of the XRP ledger, such as nodes, dev tools, storage, security, and more. Developer tooling. Developers can leverage open-source libraries, SDKs, and more to help build their project and access essential XRP ledger functionality. Interoperability. Developers and node operators can build and run custom sidechains while leveraging the XRPL's lean and efficient feature set. Wallet. Build digital wallets to store passwords and interact with various blockchains to send and receive digital assets, including XRP. NFTs. XRPL supports the issuance of IOUs that represent a currency of any value, as well as non-fungible tokens. Exchanges. Build sophisticated exchanges where users can invest and trade crypto and assets such as stocks, ETFs, and commodities. Gaming. The XRPL supports gaming at high speed given its reliable throughput, low fees, and sidechain interoperability. Security. Build services and tools that help prevent and combat fraudulent activity with the XRPL. Payments. Leverage the efficiency and speed of the XRP ledger to move value all over the globe. Web monetization. Support creators and their content directly leveraging the power of the XRP ledger. Sustainability. Use the XRP ledger to tokenize carbon offsets as non-fungible tokens. CBDC. A private version of the XRP ledger provides central banks a secure, controlled, and flexible solution to issue and manage central bank-issued digital currencies. Custody. Use the XRP ledger to build crypto custody and securely hold, store and use your assets. DeFi. Provide access to financial products and services replacing the traditional role of financial institutions. Technical analysis. XRP is a cryptocurrency that is based on the Ripple protocol. It is currently ranked in the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. The price of XRP has experienced a lot of volatility, like other cryptocurrencies. However, it has shown some stability in recent years, making it a popular investment option. In the past, XRP reached an all-time high of $3.84 in January 2018, but it has since fallen to a range of 20 cents to 50 cents in recent years. In November 2021, the price of XRP is hovering around $1.20, which is a significant increase from its low in 2020. It's worth noting that XRP has had a strong correlation with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, which has contributed to its volatility. Fundamental analysis. XRP was created to be a digital asset that can be used for cross-border payments. The Ripple protocol uses a consensus algorithm that allows for fast and secure transactions. XRP is designed to work as a bridge currency, allowing users to transfer any currency to any other currency. One of the unique features of XRP is its speed. It can process up to 1,500 transactions per second, making it one of the fastest cryptocurrencies available. XRP is also used by many financial institutions as a means of payment, which has contributed to its popularity. On December 22, 2020, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, filed a lawsuit against Ripple Labs, alleging that the company raised $1.3 billion through the sale of unregistered securities, XRP, with the SEC also bringing charges against Ripple's top executives, Christian Lerson and Brad Garlinghouse, citing personal gains of $600 million. The SEC argued that XRP should be considered security rather than cryptocurrency and should be under their purview. Ripple has been seeking to prove that XRP is a cryptocurrency and not a security. The verdict in favor of the SEC would set an unpleasant legal precedent for the broader crypto market. Developments in the lawsuit have a direct impact on XRP's price. The lawsuit's verdict will have a lasting impact on XRP's value, and it is important to note that if the SEC wins, XRP will become a security only in the United States because the regulator does not have jurisdiction across the country's borders. Ripple, XRP, Price Prediction 2023. XRP performance in the market this year has been affected by several incidents and factors. After falling repeatedly the third time in January 2022, XRP spiked to a high of 91 cents before nosediving to the market hegemony, and investor uneasiness over the SEC versus Ripple case. Terra Labs' meltdown provoked XRP's low performance of 28 cents before it found an asylum where it began to gather strength subtly. In a brief spell, it reached 55 cents levels. Digital Coin's prediction for the price of XRP estimated that the average XRP price could reach $1.90 by the end of 2023. However, Changelly predicted that the value of the XRP coin would be averagely 41 cents in 2023 with the minimum and maximum prices of $0.37 and 42 cents. In the long term, Digital Coin mentioned the average XRP value could reach $1.67 in 2025 and $3.51 in the year 2029. Finally, XRP is a cryptocurrency that has shown some stability in recent years, making it a popular investment option. It is designed to be a fast and secure means of cross-border payments and is used by many financial institutions. The rumors surrounding XRP's potential adoption by major financial institutions and its potential addition to popular cryptocurrency exchanges may contribute to its future growth. Overall, XRP is a cryptocurrency worth watching in the coming years. Thank you for watching this video.